Hello guys, today in this video we shall review the Avishkaar Robotics Starter Kit, and with this kit you can perform 100 plus projects, and we can make different types of robots. Only there will be the mechanical making of the bot and only the electronic fixing of the components. You can don't worry about the code, and you can see this. This is the Avishkaar Starter Robotics manual, where you can check where there are different functionalities in this manual, how to play and how to build, and you can drop a review if you are interested, and you can do different types of projects. We have some of the projects. So other than that, here we have the gear set, and this is the box containing of gear set. We'll be having some sort of gears over this box. You can check them out. We will build. So there are some gear parts. They are 3D printed gear parts. This is the gear box, and another one is the cables box. There will be different types of cables present in this. So with these cables you can connect different components, and other than that there are motor and wheels. So with this you can connect the motors and the different wheels, motors along with the wheels. So we have one metal packet set where metal packet like metal screws and everything will be provided along with the metal hinges for our robotics project mechanical buildup. Next, other than that, mechanical packet set. Here you have some hinges and screws similar to the other one, but these are very long for building the chassis of your robot. And here you have the nuts, bolts and Allen keys. You have the Allen key, nut bolts, and you have the some part of chassis you can build using this. These are completely mechanical parts, and now you have the sensors here. In the sensors pack, you will be having different types of sensors. So here we have 4 different sensors: touch sensor, ultrasonic, IR sensor, and one more. So light sensor. So with these sensors, you can do the electrical wiring. Like these sensors acts as the sensors of your robot and senses the information. So with this mechanical and electronic part is completed. Here you can see the brain set. So in this brain set, you will be having the brain like where it will be coded inside and it is kept, so you can control with the keys present over there. This is the brain set, and you have another battery kit and everything. So this is all about the complete kit. So the complete kit looks in this way. So you can have this manual and perform your you can perform your robotics build up, and you can build about 100 plus projects with this kit. The kit is looking good, and the packing is also very nice. So build, share and win with this robotics starter kit, and it is very much helpful if you are starter in this. If you are starting your robotics career, so this kit will be very much useful as a robotics starter kit. So build the robots and learn the logic, and you can perform 100 plus robots, and it contains about 35 plus mechanical parts and motion parts. So that's it guys. So this is the Avishkaar robotic kit.
So guys, along with this review video, we have one thing from Avishkar side. There is an event known as Avishkaar League 2020 going to happen soon. So search for the Avishkar superheroes. So in this league, the superheroes are to be searched. So what is the Avishkar League all about? Avishkar League is Avishkar's annual celebrations of robotics, creativity and innovation, and in a gathering of thousands of teachers and students and somewhere in the world across the globe. So for this year, the event is completely online. Even this year, the event is big as ever. So it is a great chance for all of you guys to register for this event as it is online. So you can register and participate by sitting at your home. Benefits of participating in this event. From the student side benefit, it is a great platform to showcase their talent at the national level, utilizing this pandemic period to enhance their creativity, ideas into the competitions of this Avishkar League, and the multiple awards and prizes are there in this league, so you can have a chance to win them. And at the school side, there is a greater visibility at the local as well as in the national level, and it provides a platform for the students to engage in the creative activities, and there is a chance to win prizes including laptops, iPads for schools. Recognition and awards. In this Avishkar League 2020, there is a total of 5 lakh worth cash prizes, and awards to be won in the Avishkar League 2020 are very high and very great. And there are multiple awards like this cash prize is divided into multiple awards as Amazon coupons, smartphone, tablet, and laptop, etc. So it is a great event with good opportunities of awards. So you can have a chance to win them. So the main participants for the event are at the grade 1 and second level students can participate over these competitions, and at the grade 3 to 5 they can participate over this set of competitions, and to the grade 6 to 9 students they can participate in these set of events. So to register for the Avishkar League, you can go to the Avishkar official website www.avishkar.cc, and there you can find the Avishkar League registration. So there you can register directly. So if you have any doubts or need to have any inquiries regarding this event, so you can contact these or mail at the given mail support@avishkar.cc. Other than this, we have our special offer from our robotic electronics side. So there will be some good discount provided from our side for this event. So stay tuned for the updates by being active over our social media platforms.